The day was worth the wait. Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maputo Mallu. Day 3. 3. Yeah. So today I'm going to Mashish. My job over here in Vilankulas is over, Mashish. I'll be traveling. It's like 2.5 hours from here, but I'll see directly I reach over there, I start with my work. Then in the evening, if possible, I'll try to post some videos. On the way, passing shots I'll try to post. But take care, be careful, and wish me happy journey. Okay, bye. So this is how I get out from my place. I'll just rotate the camera. So I'll miss this view. This is how I get out from my home, get down from my home. They have yeah, that's how I go. Kite surfing was not successful. It's very tough. I was not able to handle the kite and forgot about surfing. Surfing is very tough. It requires time. If you have time, you'll easily learn. But the restaurant was good. The food was good. It takes a little time, but it's good. As you can see, it's like morning 7 o'clock. That's why there's no people, there's no crowd. It's time that I have to give the key. This is the key that I got. Go, Shavi. Come to Shamu. Jose. Oh, went to bomb. Okay, ciao. So I'm just getting out, guys. That's it. We are done for now. I'll try to post some traveling videos, traveling post.
The stay in the resort was so pleasant that I will definitely visit here again. So the journey begins. We have 2.5 hours of journey to Mashish. Mashish is the business capital of Inimbani province and it's famous for cashew nuts.
So fam, after traveling almost 1 hour, we have reached this place. It's a small town where we can see Vilankulas towards the right and Masinga towards the left. We have to go to Masinga, the left side. And as you can see, this is a small place over here. It's a small town. And it's there's hardly any people. I just stopped for the refresco to buy some cool drink, all those things. So when you travel in Africa, or any place, after some time, you don't find any people. Islands Bar, as you can see, it's a small town. These people are running to catch the vehicle. You don't get proper vehicles here. They all are traveling.
After every 30-40 kilometers, you find a small town, small town.
Buttardo fam, I have reached Mashish, but there's a problem with my car, like it's not getting started. I replaced the battery and so, but still it's not working. I don't know what to do. My driver has gone to search for a mechanic. Let's see like something works out. Or else I'll be stuck over here. I don't know what to do. Let's figure it out.
Finally found a mechanic and he's getting things sorted out.
Buttardo. It's not Buttardo, actually it's evening. The whole day I was not able to take any video, like I was working and I had some problem with my car. There was a lot of issues, like I changed the battery, a lot of stuff, things happened but nothing worked out. Right now I'm going to a hotel. I'll be staying here. I'm not sure like tomorrow morning I'll leave or not. If I stay for one more day in Inimbani, then I'll definitely show you the place around, and not during the working hours, of course after that. It's almost 6 in the evening, 6 p.m. Let's get started. I don't know how good the hotel is, what's the cost, all those things. I'm just traveling there. I'll go there. If it's good, I'll take the video. If it gets night, I'm really sorry for that, but stay tuned. So fam, what you see is Praia is beach, okay, or sea is known as Praia. Praia de Para, like if you go straight, you will reach there, and if you go right, Topo. So I'm traveling to Topo.
Fam, these are the small junctions which you find. If you go straight, you reach the Bara beach, and if you go right, you reach the Tofu Praia. All these places, like no much business happens, only the small basic pieces which you will get. That's it.
Fam, Mashish Inimbani is famous for coconut. There are a lot of coconut trees and the coconut is very cheap. If any of my friends is planning for any business and it's coconut business, you can do business from here. But if it's an Indian friend, please don't try this. There's 87% tax for coconut or coconut oil if you import to that. If you want to do business from here to Dubai or any other places, always welcome. So coconut, it's a good choice. For Maputo also, most of the coconuts go from here. You get the fresh coconut here. Maputo, by the time it reaches like 2 or 3 days, like it's not that great. We have used a signboard. You can see a lot of hotels, lot of places. That's up there. I don't know what all places they have. There's a lot of things over here. But the hotel where I am going, its name is not there.
Finally reached the destination, Casa na Praia. And this place is next to the beach.
Finally, I have reached my destination. This is how this place looks. So fam, we have reached Casa na Praia. What's your name?
Jose.
Eh?
Jose.
Jose. I'm meeting Jose from yesterday. Like, if you see, like, even yesterday, like, the kite surfing guy, his name was Jose. I call myself as Jose, and his name is also Jose. So this is the view what you get over here. So fam, I have reached the hotel. This is the place where I'm staying. It's night, it's almost like 6:30, 7 o'clock. I'll not be able to film much, but I'll show you the restaurant, I'll show you the place. Something always looks good without light. Well, Noit. Hello.
I'm in love with such beautiful decorations, all those things. It's just amazing. The interior work, the design, everything is like too good.
I'll not use any color grade for this filter, for this video, sorry, because I'm in love with this view. And I don't think there's any color grade required for this view. The best part is, though I'm alone, I have a tree over here to take care. This is how I get in. I'll have to search where the lights are. This is how we get into the room. That's the bed. You have an extra bed if you have someone, friends, families, or if you come with your family. Then you have one more extra bed over here. Don't look at my dresses, it's messed up. I've kept my watch for charging. So this is how the bathroom looks. It's pretty clean, pretty decent, and it's open from top. So fam, day 3 ending in such a view. I had ordered some chicken, and this is how the night view looks over here. And that's the place where I stay. Exactly. So catch you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Maputo Mallu signing off.